Did you know that 2025 is the year of the AI side hustle? Imagine earning an extra 1,000 or even 5,000 monthly, working just a few hours a week. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to launch your own AI-powered side hustle, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to create digital products, automate freelance work, or start a YouTube channel, I'll break it all down for you. Let's get started. Welcome to AI Money Lab, where we explore the latest AI tools and strategies to help you generate passive income, grow your business, and achieve financial freedom. I'm your host, and today we're talking about how to launch your AI-powered side hustle this year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what tools to use, how to get started, and how to turn your side hustle into a steady stream of income. Let's dive in. Step 1. Why start an AI side hustle? First, let's talk about why an AI side hustle is the best choice for 2025. Low barrier to entry. You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Scalability. AI tools allow you to automate tasks and scale your income quickly. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere on your own schedule. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or just earn some extra cash, an AI side hustle can help you achieve your goals faster than you think. Step 2. The best AI tools for your side hustle. Now let's talk about the tools you'll need to get started. Here are my top 3 AI tools for launching a side hustle. ChatGPT. This is your go-to tool for creating content, writing scripts, and even automating customer service. It's like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7. Pictory AI. Turn blog posts or scripts into engaging videos in minutes. Perfect for creating content for YouTube, social media, or online courses. MidJourney. Create stunning visuals for digital products, social media posts, and more. I'll leave links to these tools in the description so you can check them out. Now let's talk about how to use them to launch your side hustle. Step 3. 3 AI side hustle. Ideas to start today. Here are 3 AI-powered side hustles you can start today. Sell digital products. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks or guides, and MidJourney to design covers. Then sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Automate freelance services. Offer blog writing, video creation, or social media management services. Use AI tools to handle the heavy lifting so you can take on more clients. Start a YouTube channel. Use Pictory AI to turn scripts into videos and ChatGPT to write engaging content. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. These side hustles are beginner-friendly and can generate income quickly. Pick one and get started today. Step 4. How to stay consistent and scale. Starting a side hustle is easy, but staying consistent is the key to success. Here's how to stay on track. Set clear goals. Decide how much you want to earn and by when. Create a schedule. Dedicate a few hours each week to your side hustle. Use AI to automate. The more you automate, the more you can scale. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your side hustle grow. If you're ready to launch your AI-powered side hustle, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.